Hi barbers, on today's video tutorial I will do a skin fade haircut. I am Johnny, I'm a barber from 20 years and I will show you step by step how to do it easy. If you're new on the channel, make sure you subscribe. First, we start with guard number 2. We're gonna go with the clipper straight up because we don't want to make a line. We have the comb and we brush the hair down and with the clipper straight up to make a nice fade. If we do this way, will be very easy for us on the next step when we blend the top with scissors. Next step is to use number 1.5 or one open blade. I will cut with 1.5 a bit lower than how high I cut with number 2 to can make the fade. I don't press with the clipper when I do the fade, I leave it lighter. Now I create a line with 0 from the bigger clipper. This will be the guideline. Down this line I will shave it with foil shaver and above the line I will do the fade. With Babyliss trimmer I will cut everything down the guideline to make it ready for the foil shaver. When I come close to the guideline I slightly touch with the trimmer blade to create the blend. Sometimes I need to use the corner blade to break the lines, to don't create any lines. Use every time the brush to clean the hair already been cut by the clipper. You can go gently around the ears with the trimmer to remove all the hair. Now with the Andy shaver I'm going to shave the entire lower part and I'm going to go close to the fade I just did with the trimmer. We will have to clean very well around the ears and use the fade brush to keep nice and smooth and clean all the time. Now is the time to fade the line. For this we use number 0.5 and we do 0 big from the clipper or 0 open. Like I will see in the video, I do like to fade with half of the blade. Sometimes I put half of the blade, sometimes the foot blade, but I don't press too hard because this will help to don't make other lines. Very important tips is to do not move into the next step till you finish the fade at least 90% of that spot, yeah? On the end of the haircut you just make the final touches to look perfect. Next step is the scissor fade. I prefer to blend with scissors and comb when the hair is dry, because I find it more fast and smooth. Sometimes in some haircuts I do wet the hair when I do blend on the sides and the top, but on this haircut I prefer to leave it dry for the moment. I will do in slow motion this video when I do with scissors as well, to can let you see the technique and understand much better the way I do it with scissors and the way I blend. If you do want to learn this way of cutting with scissors, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will teach you in the next videos on the top. I prefer, when the hair is not too long, to use the scissors over comb. Like how you see, is fast way and will look very good if you do it right. It's a very easy technique, I will teach you. Because he got a thicker hair, I do wet the hair to can be more easy to comb it. The secret is to stay in the front of the client and to cut with the scissors the middle section first, from the front till the crown. I hope you liked the tutorial and you learned something. I make every week new videos and I will try teaching you how to cut hair and be a better barber. If you're new on the channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Will help my channel. See you soon, guys.